nobody riding a bike in here?
No, it's still small.
Anyways, we're in vacation mode. Are you in vacation mode?
Not yet.
Almost in vacation mode. Just need to eat. Busy here. Mix a little bit of drinky drink. Here, cheers to Cuba. Andy wants to make the most of his Amex card. So we're in the Amex lounge getting drinks now. Where's my straw? Where's my straw? I'm not kidding. I have sensitive teeth.
I'm not going back.
Okay, I'll be right back then.
Every time.
I know. Say vacation. I'm on my second gin and tonic, and Andy went to go get me some French fries.
Vacation.
Let's go. Look at it.
Well.
What is this? What are you listening to? I brought my own headphones.
Make sure your ears is pink though.
They're not. Okay, thank you. Oh shit, get beer right after you cut.
To the resorts, actually the Peninsula Paradero, the most important resort area that we have in Cuba. And beside me, I got the driver, the most important person right now. So the one is going to be driving us safe and sound from here to the Peninsula. Now in Cuba, we don't do that, guys. Okay, if we're drinking, we don't drive. If we're driving, we're drinking. Sorry, we don't drink.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
Don't make it too big.
No, make it big.
No, that's enough.
That's good.
Oh god, he kept going.
Go first.
Thank you. Hold my straw.
Go.
Ready? Cheers.
Thank you. You do want to? No. No. Maybe afterward.
Yeah. Careful, that cup's huge.
Thank you. It is a big shot. It's good.
Yeah.
Want to do rum now?
No.